Hello guys, my name is Chuck. I'll be teaching you guys my choreography to Before I Let Go by Beyonce, originally by Frankie Beverly and Maze. I have my friends here. They're gonna be showing you guys the steps, the moves, the swag. You guys got it? Introducing
Lauren, Chantel, Morgan,
Josh.
and we're gonna have a good old time. Lauren and Erica will be doing the modified version. Chantel and Morgan will be doing the regular version, and Kavan and Josh will be doing the edited version for the males. Got it? You guys ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, let's go very, very slow. I want you guys to get this, all right? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So with that back part there, when you guys are to the back, because you guys can see us, you guys can put your hands, left hand is up, right hand is either by your hip area, or you can put it down to the ground, whatever's up to you. Not down to the ground, but by your pocket, you know what I'm saying? So let's go back to the back guys for them real quick. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you really want to, if you're a female, you really want to push your back out and really get that rockage, you know what I'm saying? Get that, you know what I'm saying? So one more time from the top to there. 5, 6, 7, very slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool, you guys got that?
Yeah.
Lit. So the next part is where you have a little edits, because the bunny hop, you can do it the regular way or the edited version. Can you guys do the edited version for me? I want to see that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bunny hop, drop, huh. So instead of you guys really going full out, can you guys do that part for me real quick? Let me move back here so I can really see you guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bunny hop, drop, hop. Yeah, it's a big difference. Can I see all the ladies do that real quick? So if you want to save your knees, don't really go to the ground. You can still get this full effect by just going down here and popping back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bunny hop, drop, hop. Good job, guys. How you feeling? Good. Cool. What's after that part? Next part? What's the next part, guys? Cool. All right. So after the bunny hop, drop, huh. You're going to cross your left in front of your right. You're going to go 1 and 2, roll and clap. Cool? So you want to make sure you go back and up, roll and and really get that hop and a boom. Cool? One more time from the very top to there. I'm going to move back because they're killing it. I'm just here to be great. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Watch these guys. 5, 6 from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bunny hop, drop, hop. Boom, hop. Boom, hop. Cool, that was good. Y'all felt that?
Yeah.
That was good. You know, we did that. That was cute. So bunny hop, drop, boom, You're gonna shuffle to the left. This part here, you're gonna have kind of like it's like a TLC vibe, guys. You wanna go shuffle to the left 2 times to the left, but really, really chug it. So you're gonna go shuffle to the left, and make sure you really have a little bit of shoulders and a little vibe for that. So shuffle to the left, then smooth it out. Cool? Can we all do that part? 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle to the left. Now smooth it out. Y'all felt that smooth?
Yeah.
I felt it smooth. I felt that. Y'all felt that smooth? Yeah, you gotta smooth it out. You can't be going so hard. It's a lot. Okay? Cool? So go from the tippy one more time, then we'll just keep going. You guys with me at home? Say yeah. I heard that. I felt that. I felt your energy. Yeah, 5 from the top. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7 from the top. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bunny hop, drop, hop. Boom, boom, hop, boom, boom, boom. Shuffle to the left, and that's glide, y'all. Y'all, really, I want you guys, this is your own thing here. But you really got to feel it, because Beyonce is like giving us a vocal. You want to really do the vocal, okay? So you're going to go, ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, then, huh. Hey, this groove right here is a grandma groove. No offense to the grandmas. But you feel the aunties, yeah. Aunties too. So you're going to go, ooh, 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 hey. Got that? How many times do you do that?
4.
4 times. So 5 from the top of that. 5, 6 from the ooh. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, 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 ooh. Drop it down, drop it down. Cool? Got that? So fellas, make sure you guys kind of have it here. Here, you don't really have to put your hands on your knees. The ladies do that, the knees part, but girls, make sure you really get into that. Got that? One more time for good luck, and then we'll keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, 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 ooh. Drop it down, low, low. Next part is modified. Regular version, you guys do that low, low to the floor for me. Then the modifiers, chill out for a second. Regular version, 5, 6, 7, 8. Low, low, low to the floor. And that part right there is really about the thighs going in. It's called, I'm from down south, so it's called the chicken wing or the hummingbird. Either or. I think chicken wing sounds better. That's just me. But you want to make sure you really get those thighs together. Like, and the faster the better. It makes you look like you're doing something, because you are. All right? So, D. Modified version, 5, 6, 7, and low, low, low to the floor. So it's the same intention, but you don't go as far down. So still make sure your knees clap together. Fellas, do the same thing too, but don't go all the way down as well. Okay? So let's go from ooh to that, to low, low, low to the floor. After low, low to the floor, we're gonna come up. We're gonna go, so low, low, low to the floor, up, clap to the side. Then you're gonna roll it, and place. Ladies, make sure you get that picture. This is a little bit of Beyonce hip. Beyonce always gives a hip. Yeah. Fellas, don't give a hip, but girls give a hip, okay? Cool, let's go from low. 5, 6 from ooh. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, 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 ooh. Low, 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 low to the floor. Low, clap, roll, Got it, good job. Cool, you guys got that? Let's go from the top of that and all the way to that point where we just stopped. Guys, got it? Cool? 5, 6, 7 from the top. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bunny hop, drop, Shuffle to the left and boom, boom, boom. Shuffle to the left, let's glide. Y'all, feel it and let's go. Low, low, low to the floor. Clap and roll. Good job. How y'all feel?
Good.
Y'all look good. Y'all look good. Y'all look good too. I can't see you, but you look good. So up and roll. And the next part, just step on it. So you're gonna step on the left foot, right? Left foot? Right foot. So after this, here, you're gonna step on the left foot. You're gonna go step on it, step on it, step on it, step. And you can overkill a step, or you can just be chill. However you wanna step. You get some feeling, yeah? Feel all that part. 5, 6, 7, slow. Step on it, step on it, step on it, step. Then you're gonna go, after the step on it, we do the kick. Let me back up a little bit so you guys can see them do it. Can you guys do it, Chantel, Morgan, for me? All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step on it, step on it, step on it, step, 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 kick. Oh, y'all, they killed that. Y'all yeah, but that was good. So you can kind of give that up there, or you can just do the regular version. Everybody do that together, really, really slow. From step on it. 5, 6, 7, very slow. Step on it, step on it, step on it, step, step, step. So it's a kick, kick, kick. So it's right kick. Right, right, left, left, in. Again, 5, 6, 7 from the kick. Kick, kick, left, in, up. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and kick, kick, up, whoa, bow. Good job. But you kind of really come up after here, just come up here. Or you can chill out. You don't have to really do all that. You can just give a vibe. However you feel after that step, okay? Cool? One more time from the top, then we're almost done. Give it up for yourself. Clap it up. Woo! Woo! All right, from the top. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bunny hop, drop, hop. Tap, tap, toop, boom, boom, boom. Shuffle to the left, let's glide. Feel it. Ooh, and down, down, down. Let's go. Low, low, low to the floor. Clap. Up, roll, roll. Let's step on it, step on it, step on it, step, step, step. Kick, Cool, we got that. I felt that. Y'all got it at home too. I know. Rewind if you don't. You got it. And after that, step, step, hump, up, hump. We're gonna go swag here. So you kind of want to step into that. So swag up and side, side. So the first one, do that part for me, girls. All the ladies here do it. Everybody do that part. 5, 6, 7, 8. Swag to boom, boom, boom. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Swag to boom, boom, boom. After that, 5, 6, 7. Next part. Step left, hit and out. Cool. One more time from the swag. 5, 6. The last one. So it's swag to left. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. And step out. Cool. And make sure you really got that step and prep out. Cool. You have to have that head. Yeah. Give a head. Yeah. Yeah. Get a head. Yeah. I like that. That was cute. Cool. So we're going to go back from, just to add that on. 5, so step on it. That's good. 5, 6, 7, very slow. Step on it. Step on it. Step on it. Step, step, step. Kick. Swag to bum, bum, bum. Boom, boom, ha. Boom, boom. Got it. Good job. After that, we have the modified version for the dudes. Your head's gonna go to the side of your head. Ladies do the same thing that you guys have been doing, but fellas go here. So fellas gonna put their hands to the side here. Girls, make sure you put your hands in the front of your chest. And when you do that part there, can the ladies do that part? It's more about the buttock area. It's less about chest, more about the hips. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Cool. That was good. That was good. Fellas, gonna just go here. 5, 6, 7, go, fellas. 1 and 2 and 3 and bop, 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 bop. Yeah, you don't want to do too much. Just chill. Cool. 5. Everybody together. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Bop, 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 bop. Hey. Ha, 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 ha. You come to the middle. After that, next part. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. You're gonna go and back. Cool. 5. One more time for that. 5, 6, 7, 8. It goes right, left, and back, up. Ladies gonna go up to the top of their head, and they're gonna round a circle. Do your part, girls. 5, 6, 7, 8. And circle hips. Fellas gonna do the millie up to go millie down. 5, 6, 7, 8. And millie down. Good job, guys. All together that part. 5 from here. Starting point. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. And side, 6, 7, 8. And right, left, and back, up, and circle down. Next part, right? You're gonna go here. Let me see that part all together. 5, 6, 7. Next part. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And step, and Wait, guys, we're done. Give it up for yourself. That was good. How y'all feel? Good? Cool. Let's do that last that. We're gonna go back. Let's go to that part a little bit slower because you kind of ran. But let's do it again from right here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and right, left, and back. And circle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Double step, step it, and back, 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 back. Let's go from the step on it, guys, because we have to really connect one little thing. There's one thing we have to really connect with because you have to turn right to this. Let's do step from step on it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step on it, step on it, step on it, step, step, step. Kick, swag to serve to right, circle up, boom, here. So here, after that, listen up. When you guys come from here, you're stepping over on your right foot's gonna step over and you go right to it. So you right away. So you're here, right? You're on the right. Got it? The right foot has a lot of work to do. You gotta come right over. And you go step over. Cool? Got that. Let's go from that again and keep going all the way to the end because we got it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step on it, step on it, step on it, step, step, step. Kick, boom, pump, swag to serve to circle up, boom, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, circle, and a circle, and step, switch, boom, and boom, double step, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and back, 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 back. Good job. All right, guys, so we're done. You guys ready? You guys got it? Cool. So we're gonna do it tempo one time for you guys. You guys can watch that over and over again. And then in the description, there'll be a link to the regular video where you can watch it and you get the music. Got it? You guys good? You guys ready? Yeah. All right, let's hit it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Clap, roll it, step on it, step on it, step on it, step, 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 kick, boom, ha, swag to left, serve to right, circle up, boom, and hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Hey, let's go. And boom, 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 and boom, 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 and step, 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 step. Good job. Yeah. I know y'all got it. I know y'all got it now. So you guys can teach your friends. You guys can rewatch this video. This will be a workout. I don't know. It's cute. Thank you guys so much. It's a workout. Good job, guys. You got it.